We've always thought of travel as a force for good in the world. When people go out and see different cultures or different geographies, they have the opportunity to see that as a species, we're actually more alike than we are different. So Eagle Creek has thought of its role in that ecosystem as really helping people do that in a way where they feel confident and their gear is all organized and safe. Eagle Creek is an almost 50-year-old adventure travel gear brand, serving a small part of the overall travel market that needs very durable, sustainable goods to take them to the far reaches of the world. We operate primarily through wholesale partners, and then we also operate a direct-to-consumer business primarily through our websites.
I started at Eagle Creek as the controller over 20 years ago. We were on a Mapix type system back then that didn't really have any reporting available in there. It took them a tremendous amount of time to enter in an order because there was like 50 screens and 20 questions within each screen. We did some research on what are some of the best systems out there. Everyone that we spoke to said NetSuite, 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 NetSuite. Now, we are running all areas of the business on NetSuite. It's everything in one place. Once we moved over to NetSuite, it was like, we have saved searches and we have reports and we can create our own, and they're fast and they're easy and they're flexible. Now the orders come in automatically via EDI, very little order entry needed. You can customize all of the screens in NetSuite, so if you're not using a field, then you hide it. It's just seamless.
Data is one of the most important parts of my role. NetSuite's been able to help me interject the personal needs of the customers into the different data reporting. The fact that we're able to put a product lead time into each inventory item, and those lead times are different per inventory item, that allows me to have the visibility on the sales order at the line level to see each item, when it's going to come in, when it's going to ship, and when the customer can receive it. So it allows me to have a very easy and clear conversation with that customer on a line-by-line level, so their expectations are correct.
Our evolution to NetSuite has been, I would say, a breath of fresh air for our organization. We have more real-time information, our financials are right, our operations are secure. People are much happier using this system than our legacy system. And at the end of the day, it helps us make better decisions as we move forward. We're going to continue to grow by continuing to add products into our portfolio, by adding new geographies into our business. And NetSuite will help us scale to our ultimate ambitions without ever having to install new software.